So, last week, I wanted to do a nighttime photo shoot for my Instagram. So I got my girlfriend Eden to help out, dress me up in all special effects makeup, because that's what she does. She specializes in special effects makeup and all that type of stuff. So I got her to dress me up like this. The Joker. Talk about the most overused cosplay ever. So everything that went wrong in this video was my fault.
What do I do?
So this is how that went.
I'm white. I'm so white. Hey guys, welcome. I don't know how Heath Ledger did this every fucking day. I'm not looking in the camera. I'm not that weird.
They're not that weird. Okay, now look up. Look up.
What do you mean? Are you doing? Hold up! Stop! What? This is fine.
No, it's not. Honey, do you?
My eye's gonna cry and it's gonna.
No, it's fine. I've done it way worse.
I can't. Can I do this?
Yes.
Oh, it's in my eye now. I can't even get him.
You're an idiot.
What do you mean? No, honey, what the f? It's like in my eye. Do you see the paint?
What? How did you get it in your eye? It wasn't in your eye before you.
No, I can't. What do I do?
Just dab it. Your eyes.
Is it though?
So once the makeup was done, and I figured that I wouldn't go blind.
I will kill you.
So once the makeup was done, and I figured I wasn't gonna go blind because of the pain in my eye, we grabbed some sparklers because I thought it would look really cool with the sparklers going off in the photo, and it would look really badass and like mobster kind of. We also grabbed some swords. Yeah, you know, I'm just gonna show you. Roll the cinematic. So for the next day, we spontaneously came up with another photo shoot idea that we wanted to try out. But this time we wanted it to be a more goth and edgy type vibe to it, and something you wouldn't usually see. Something that didn't have a clear theme to it, because these photos sure don't. But they ended up looking really cool because of the interesting nature to them. And yeah, so I'm gonna hand you back to Kyffin. So it's the next day now. We've done the Joker shoot. As you can see, I've still got some of my eye makeup on. I can't seem to get it off. Looks like I haven't slept for a couple days. And on to the next shoot. Second shoot, we found a life-saving ring that she had at her house, and we thought we could set it up to kind of look like she was in a forest and she just had that on, and it worked. So I urge you to use stuff in your surroundings or in your environment, in your photos, just to see what they all look like, because you never know what it's going to look like until you actually bring it into editing and start editing it. For example, this photo that I took of my mate, it was just a quick test shot before a shoot. It wasn't supposed to be used for anything. I was just making sure the camera settings were all right. I ended up editing it, and this is what it looks like afterwards. Like, that could very well be a planned photo specifically to look like that, but it was just a random photo that I took and it ended up looking really nice. Experiment with different stuff in your photos and just bring them all into editing and then just see what you can do with them. That's my plea. Sorry for a short video this week, guys. They should be getting longer in the weeks to come, but I hope you enjoyed. I hope you gained some value out of this, and don't go scaring people in Joker masks and makeup. If you guys want to go ahead and check out Eden on Instagram, her link will be in the description. She's an amazing artist. I'll hand you back to other Kyffin. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next week. Peace. That's my hand.